You know what nobody tells you about doing your nails at home? It's not just the color, it's the shape that makes them look expensive. That smooth salon-level curve in the middle, that's called the apex. And yes, you can actually get it at home, without gel, without a drill, without experience. I've been using the NAGAIA dip powder system and I'm obsessed because their powders are insanely fine and the formula literally levels itself. No weird lumps, no learning curve. With the right technique, as known as the apex method, you can build a natural looking curve that actually makes your nails last longer and look professionally done. It's kind of a cheat code. The powder builds the structure, the self-leveling smooths it out, and the result? Nails that look sculpted but feel effortless. Nails done, mood lifted, confidence activated. That's the NAGAIA dip effect. So go ahead, get messy, get creative, and get your sparkle on. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you ever settled for flat nails that chip after a few days. This is home salon leveled up.